In today's episode, Victor and Jess help a stranger find a job he'd always wanted, a job as an auto mechanic. And in our area, there are many people who have the same goal. Automotive Technologies is a profession with endless possibilities. It's constantly changing, and it also requires a variety of skills and knowledge. And one of the best places to learn the skills and state-of-the-art knowledge necessary to succeed in this profession is Montgomery College. It's one of the college's most popular programs, and to find out all about it, I sat down with Debra Anderson, Program Director for MC's Automotive Technologies program. Let's start with an overview of the Automotive Technology program at Montgomery College. In general, what programs are offered and what degrees can students earn?
Well, the automotive program is designed and structured to take a student and teach them how to repair automobiles. Our program is designed for light-duty truck and passenger vehicles, and it's designed to teach the 8 areas of study for ASE certification. So the first purpose is industry certification in automotive repair. The second purpose is that we also have 4 specialty certificates. So a student can earn a college Maryland State recognized certificate in an automotive area specialty. And then we also offer an AAS degree, which is an applied science degree in automotive technology. So a person coming in can earn industry certification, college certification, and an automotive degree.
Let's first talk about the degree program. How many credits are required, and what are some of the required classes?
Well, there are 68 credits required for the degree. The classes involve general education courses, which are classes like math, English, science, speech, etc. And then the major courses, which is the area of study, which is automotive repair. And that's classes like brakes, suspension steering, electrical, engine performance, transmissions, etc. So the automotive degree couples the general education courses with the automotive courses, and you come out with a college level degree.
And the certificate program, what specialties can you earn the degree in?
Well, they are areas of repair on the vehicle, and we offer 4 certificates. These certificates are recognized by Maryland State, but they're offered by the college. And those certificates are requiring automotive courses, but no general education courses. So it's a specific set of courses in an area of repair. And those certificates are undercar specialist, engine performance specialist, powertrain specialist, and automotive electrical specialist.
Sticking with the certificate programs, what are some of the required courses or classes for each?
With the certificate programs, for undercar specialist, a student would take Introduction to Automotive Technology, brakes, suspension and steering, and automotive electrical systems. So that undercar basically focuses on any of the repairs that are done outside the vehicle and typically end up being under the car, as opposed to an engine performance specialist certificate, which would focus more on engine, computer systems, ignition, emissions, exhaust, etc. So it's just that specialty area, so those type of courses.
This program also prepares students for the industry-recognized ASE technician certification exams. Could you explain what's involved and how the curriculum prepares students for these exams?
The National Institute of Automotive Service Excellence is the certifying body for the automotive industry, and they have developed a battery of exams as well as certifications for different areas of the vehicle for repair. And they're called ASE certifications, and that is basically the industry credential for an automotive technician. It's what you look at being put up on the wall when you take your car in to have it repaired, that technician is certified in the area of repair that they're providing. Those exams are given and taken every 5 years. Once a student passes an exam, then they also have to get 2 years worth of hands-on work experience. So the program here provides the training for all of the ASE exams for passenger cars and light-duty vehicles. And then once the student gets employment in the field, they'll get their 2 years worth of hands-on training. And then all they do is they send in to National Institute of Automotive Service Excellence their work experience, and then they'll get their certification. And usually it's a lot easier to become hired in the industry if you've at least passed the exam. Everybody in the industry understands that you're going to need the work experience. So it makes a student here more marketable if they've already passed their exam. And that's the training that we provide.
I understand the program also responds to industry needs by providing customized training. Could you explain how this works and what's involved?
Well, we sit down and we work with an industry client and we decide what the need is. And then from there, we can do a customized plan, or we might be able to utilize what we already have in place. It just depends on their need. As far as customizing, we can offer training space, as in the shop here, training aids, curriculum. We can develop a curriculum specifically for their need. We've done that before. We offer instructors, or we can train their instructors. It really is customized based on their need. It can be done here at the college, or it can be done remotely at their business, and we do that quite often. We also have industry partners that come here and provide training. Subaru, Volkswagen, several other manufacturers have come here and utilized the facility with their own instructors to do training.
I understand there are also continuing education classes offered. How does the program work, and what are some of the classes that are offered?
All of our classes are what we call co-listed classes. So we have 16 credit seats in the class and 4 non-credit or continuing education seats in the class. So somebody who doesn't need a degree or doesn't want to take a course for credit is literally sitting in the same class as a credit student. The cost is the same, the information in the class is the same, they still get lecture and lab portions, but they're just not getting credit for that course. The only difference is that the schedules are different. So for example, AT 150 Brakes is a credit class. TTG 336 ASE A5 Brakes Prep is the name for the continuing education portion of that class, but it's really the same class. It's just 2 different names, 2 different course numbers in the different schedules.
What can the students expect to experience when it comes to the balance between classroom and work and hands-on work on the lab?
We have pretty much an equal focus on lecture or classroom component and lab component. So most of our classes, and it varies a little bit depending on whether it's a entry-level class or an upper-level class, but most of our classes are about 3 hours of lecture and about 3.5 to 4 hours of lab. So we focus on those cognitive skills, those reasoning and deductive skills in the classroom, and prepare the student for the tools and the equipment that they'll use out in the lab and what they'll be doing on the vehicle. And then they come out and they do the hands-on, because obviously the mechanical skills are a big important part of this training.
Let's talk about the faculty at the MC. What will the students find when they enroll in the program?
Well, all of our full-time faculty are master certified technicians, and master certification means that they've passed all 8 of the ASE exams. All of our full-time faculty also have the advanced level engine performance exam. They do regular training, and they all have extensive industry work experience. So the instructors here are fully prepared, energetic to work with the students.
What kind of success has MC students enjoyed in the industry once they graduate, and what are some of the employment opportunities possible for the MC graduates?
Well, we're very lucky in the area where we're located in that it's very dense in automotive repair facilities, government repair facilities, and automotive dealerships. So the students coming out of the program usually don't have a problem finding employment. And a lot of these same entities, these shops and agencies, have donated money to the college for scholarships, are well aware of our program here and donated to this building, and a lot of them sit on our advisory board. So students coming from this program usually only have to state that they're coming from the Montgomery College program, and it's usually not a problem finding employment, and especially if they've got some ASEs with them.
So I heard you talking about some of the scholarships that they give. Are there more scholarships or grants available for MC Automotive Technology students?
Yeah, we have 5 right now, and that usually changes each year. We usually acquire another scholarship. We've got automotive scholarships for students. The requirement is that they have to have taken 12 automotive credits first to be able to apply, and they simply make application. And it's pretty much given on a merit basis, how well they're doing in courses. And also, a couple of the scholarships are focused on what their intent is in the automotive industry. Obviously, some of the money comes from manufacturers, and they want to be focused on that the student is going to work in the repair industry. But there's a lot of money out there for students.
What's the reputation of the Montgomery College Automotive Technology program within the automotive industry?
Well, we've been here training students in automotive repair for 25 years. As I said before, we're well known in the area for the training that we provide. We're a national certified program, so we're master certified by NATEF, which is a national entity that certifies automotive. Kind of like certifying technicians, they look over all our curriculum and they certify programs. Our reputation also follows us in the students that go out and work in the industry. We've got a lot of students working just locally, and every day that they provide skilled professional service, that speaks to our training. A lot of our industry partners will hire students before they've even finished the program here, so it's not a requirement to complete the program to be hired. And they're willing to work with the students and their school schedule, which speaks to how they understand what we do here as far as training and what type of student and what type of employee they're going to get as the end result. So I believe that we have a very good reputation for what we do here, and we enjoy what we do. We take it very seriously, and I think we do it well.
Is there a way to transfer work experience into college credits?
Yes, we actually have a program where a technician who's coming from the industry, if they have work experience and they've got their ASE certifications, they can transfer those ASE certifications in for college credit. So for example, a brakes ASE certification would transfer for the brakes course, and that's 5 credits. And they could work through all 8 of the ASE certifications, including the advanced level, and end up walking into the program with about 45 college credits already. And then all they'd be required to take would be a couple of the college automotive courses and the general education courses, and they'd walk away with a degree. So it gives them a significant advantage for their work experience in getting a degree. It's a great program.
Does the program only take new students, or can they take other people who've already worked in the field before?
We have both groups, actually. We have daytime classes and evening classes, and our daytime classes tend to be filled with new students, and our evening classes may have some new students, but usually a lot of students who are already working in the industry. And what they're doing is trying to get more training, possibly in areas of repair that they're not performing repairs now, so that they can complete their ASE certification and basically update on the knowledge that they have for that specific area. So yes, we have both groups of students in the program.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my interview with Debra Anderson, Director of the Automotive Technology program at Montgomery College. So now let's take a few moments to review some of the most important information we just learned. The program teaches students how to repair automobiles and is designed for light-duty trucks and passenger vehicles. The program teaches the 8 areas of study for ASE certification. Debra Anderson also explained the 3 purposes of the program. First, they provide industry certification in auto repair. Second, they offer 4 Maryland state-recognized certificates in specialty areas. And finally, they also offer an AAS degree in automotive technology. The AAS degree program requires 68 credits. With this track, you'll be taking general education classes like math and English, along with your major classes in automotive technology. In your major, you'll study areas like brakes, suspension, steering, electrical, transmissions, undercar, and other areas. The certificate track offers 4 specialty areas of study: undercar specialist, engine performance specialist, powertrain specialist, and automotive specialist. The Montgomery College Automotive Technology program also offers training for ASE certification. ASE is the National Institute of Automotive Service Excellence, and it's the automotive industry certifying body. The ASE has developed a battery of exams, and those exams certify technicians in different areas of repair. The ASE exams must be taken every 5 years, and the MC Automotive Technology program provides training for all the ASE exams. Passing the ASE exams almost guarantees employment for students. They are much more marketable if they pass the exams, and the MC program can help you achieve that goal. The MC program also provides custom training to the auto industry. MC will meet with industry clients and design programs to fit their needs. MC offers training space in the auto lab, and they can design a custom curriculum specifically for clients. MC will also provide instructors, or they can train instructors from the industry. In addition, MC also has partners from the industry, like Subaru and VW, who come to the MC Auto Lab and provide on-site training. In addition to all the classes offered for credit, the MC Auto Technology program also offers non-credit continuing education classes. These are the exact same classes as those taken for credit, with the same lectures, labs, and instructors. And all credit and non-credit classes are taught by the extremely qualified instructors in the program. All the full-time faculty in the program are master certified technicians, and all have the Advanced Engine Performance exam. And each member of the faculty has extensive industry work experience too. Another great part about the program is the work experience for college credit program. If an auto technician comes to MC with work experience and ASC certification, they can transfer the ASC certification for college credit. For example, if you have ASC certification in brakes, that would transfer for the brake course, which is 5 credits. If you had all 8 ASC certifications, you could enter MC with 45 college credits, and then all you need would be a few general education courses and a couple more college automotive classes, and you'd have a college degree. And if you need financial assistance, the Automotive Technology program has grants and scholarships available. You have to take 12 credits before you can apply, and the assistance is given based on merit. But Debra Anderson told me there's lots of money out there for students. So after learning all about the program from Debra Anderson, and while I was out at the garage, I also had a chance to speak with one of the students in the program, and we talked about his experiences. What made you decide to enroll in the Automotive Technologies program here at Montgomery College?
Well, at first it's my passion for cars. I mean, I've been working on cars since I was little. I mean, not technically working on cars, but I felt attracted to cars since I was little. As soon as I got here, since I got out of high school, I started working on a paint shop as a helper. And painting wasn't really what I liked. I actually like to put my hands on stuff, on cars and stuff. And one of my buddies told me that there was actually a training program in Montgomery College about automotive. So I took a look at it and I enrolled because it's really good.
Once you heard about the program, how did you realize, what did you do to make sure you really wanted to go here?
Well, at first I just wanted to find out what it was like. So I started looking on the Montgomery College page, and I started looking at the board director of the program, which was Debra Anderson, and I actually made a meeting with her. So I came down here. It was during summer, actually, and I started talking. She wasn't able to be here, but Antonio was on her place, and I started talking to Antonio, and basically he was telling me the kind of courses they offer, the kind of different courses, which is brakes, suspensions, electricity, engine performance, engine repair, and he was explaining me a little bit of each of them. So it really got my attention, especially since most of the classes that I had to take in order to take the automotive classes, I took them. So all I really had to do was register for them. And from then on, I started.
What do you like most about the program?
Teachers. Like, they actually put an effort on helping you out. If you go out and talk to one of them, they'll try to explain a couple of things that has happened to them on their own experience, so that when you take a look at it and you start facing a problem, you start kind of remember, oh, I remember he told me this, and he moved a little power, or he started checking a certain system on the car, and he fits it this way. So that's what I most like about it, the faculty in here.
What do you hope to do when you graduate?
Well, when I graduate, first I'm going to start looking from to get a job at a bigger shop. So hopefully I can get more experience. Along with that, I also plan to take another major on business management, so that hopefully one day I'll be able to open up my own shop.
My thanks to Marco Ramirez-Cruz, a student in the Montgomery College Automotive Technology program. Marco came to Montgomery College because he's always loved cars and wanted to learn more about how to work on them. He loves the faculty and the way they work with students, and he also loves the hands-on experience he gets every day in the lab sessions in the garage. Once he graduates, he intends to work in the industry while also pursuing a business degree, because his ultimate goal is to own his own auto repair shop. So if you're like Marco and want to learn more about cars and get a degree in auto technology, then you should definitely check out the program by calling 240-567-7620 or 240-567-5000. Or you can also check them out on the web. Visit the homepage of MC at montgomerycollege.edu, click on Majors and Classes, and then click on Automotive Technology. Well, that's all the time we have for today's special edition of Crossroads Cafe. If you'd like to find out when this and other episodes of Crossroads Cafe airs on Montgomery College Television, please call 240-567-7160 or visit the MCTV webpage at montgomerycollege.edu/MCTV. I'm Sophia Reeves, and thanks for watching Crossroads Cafe.